How to speak English fluently? Practice speaking English every day, even if it's just for a few minutes. Watch English TV shows or movies with subtitles to improve your listening skills. Read English books or articles to improve your vocabulary. Find a language exchange partner to practice speaking with. Here are some more tips. 1. Speak English as much as you can. Even if you don't have anyone to talk to, you can practice speaking English by reading out loud or talking to yourself. 2. Think in English. Try to think in English instead of translating from your native language. 3. Listen to English music. Listen to English songs and try to understand the lyrics. 4. Watch English TV shows and movies. This can help you learn new words and phrases and improve your listening skills. 5. Find a language exchange partner. Find someone who is also learning English and practice speaking with them. 6. Use English every day. Use English in your daily life as much as possible, such as reading signs or labels in English. 7. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Making mistakes is a natural part of learning a new language, so don't be afraid to practice and make mistakes. 8. Learn vocabulary. Use flashcards or apps to memorize new words. 9. Read aloud. Read a book or article out loud to practice your pronunciation. 10. Join a language exchange group. Find a group of people who are learning English and practice speaking with them.